subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new mid-range phone under Y series in Thailand called Vivo Y72 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y72 features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Vivo Y72 supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture 4K videos at 30 frames per second and it has electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. At the front, it has an 16MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with FuntouchOS 11.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and for gaming it has Ultra Game Mode along with the multi-turbo feature that helps to increase the work efficiency. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.95 by 75.3 by 8.5mm and it weighs around 193 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y72 5G has been priced in Thailand at 9,999 Thai baht. And the smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in graphite black and dream glow color options. And it is set to go on sale starting from March 31st. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y72 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.